Hey everyone, and welcome to VFX5 once again. So in today's video we are going to see how we can install gizmo called color smear and how you can use it. Already I made a video on how to use color smear, but I haven't made that video in which I have showed you how to install it. Also, this plugin or this gizmo is not available on Nukepedia. So most of you commented or most of you asked me to tell you where you can download this gizmo. So be with this video and I will tell you at the last where to download this gizmo, right? So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, as you can see over here, I have my gizmo color smear, and what you have to do, just you have to click on copy, just right click or control C, you can do it, and just go to your C drive, your users and admin, whatever your PC name is, and just look for .nuke over here. So just click over here and just you have to paste it. Already I have color smear pasted over here, so it will ask me to replace it, but in your case it won't ask to replace it. After that, what you need to do, you need to restart your nuke or start your nuke, and what you have to do, just right click and others and update all plugins. After updating your plugin, what will happen, whenever you're going to type smear or color smear, your color smear node will be here. Exactly what color smear is doing, it takes edges from your alpha, or it takes edges from your RGB, and it will expand your edges and pre-multiplied with alpha. Pretty confusing statement, but let's see how we have to use it. Here you can see I have a character and I have a alpha over here as well, and I am getting my white edges all around this character, right? So if I want to do it with color smear, so what I'm going to do, I am going to again type smear, that will come, and as I'm going to connect it, what will happen, your automatically you can see your white edges are gone, right? So if I'm going to look from here, so few artifacts will be there. Suppose that I'm going to disable it, and you can see it's coming pretty nicely. In fact, it's not working with the that much great with hairs, but we have different way to treat hair. If you want to know how we can treat hair or how we can fix hair edges, so I have already made a video, a detailed video of 1 hour keying processes, so you can go, you can check it. As you can see, it's working pretty fine for me. So this is the way how we can install and how we can use our color smear node. And if you want to download this color smear, you can go to my description, link will be there to download it, and please download it and comment down if your color smear node is working for you. So I'm hoping that this video or this gizmo will help you to make your comp in a better way. And if you're thinking that this video is helping you, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. With this said, this is VFX5 signing off. Have a good day.